Good morning, everybody. What is going on? Wow, Taylor, you're looking pretty snazzy. Got some dress shoes on. Well, the reason for that is because I'm working today. Now, I'm not working over there. I'm not driving a big bus this morning. I'm actually driving a cube van, and the reason for that is that my boss said, hey, do you want some extra work to make a little cash before the season starts because it's not busy enough right now? And I said, absolutely. So he said, why don't you deliver luggage? And I said, deliver luggage? Yeah, okay, that sounds awesome. So let me show you today what I am doing with this whole delivering luggage deal. And then actually later on, I do have a separate spare piece of work with driving big buses. So I'm gonna take you around, and this will be a vlog about my job and what I do. I'm really excited. So lucky for me, the cube van that I'm driving is 20-minute walk away, so I get some exercise in the morning. And like I said, I'm only gonna be doing this work for about another month until the season picks up, and then I'm full-time in the tour bus. See this condo complex? So David Foster, the music producer, he used to have a condo here. See this condo complex? It's designed to look like a cruise ship, the shape of a cruise ship. Pretty cool, hey? The front, then you got the side balconies. Down here, this is Fisherman's Wharf, which I've filmed twice in my vlogs. And that ship right there is the Coho. The Coho is a big ferry that services Port Angeles in Washington. So right there, that's where the Coho docks. There's the Empress Hotel. So this is the inner harbor right here. And there's actually two American ferries that come down here. There's the Coho and then the Clipper that arrives right here. And that's where I'm working today. So what I do is if people book a tour off of the Clipper to come onto our bus with CVS, then we take their luggage for them if they're staying overnight in a hotel. So some people aren't. Some people are just coming for the day and then they're going back to Seattle. But some people are coming and they're staying a few nights. So they're gonna have their luggage when they get off this ship. So what I do is I check their luggage, and then I load their luggage into the cube van that I'm gonna be driving, which is right here. And then I take that luggage and I go and drop off to their hotels. The buses are ready. There's this bus and then there's a double-decker bus behind it for all the passengers. And then people basically come up to me and I say, hey, are you checking luggage? And then some people say, no, I don't have any luggage. I say, okay, you can hop on the bus, enjoy the tour. Or if people are checking luggage, then I tag their bag. I put their bag back here, they get on the bus, then after everyone's on the bus and the buses are gone on their tour, then I bring that van over and start loading up. And that is the Clipper right there.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should have told you that you're beautiful.
Now the buses are going on their tours, and I have to go around to hotels and deliver all of this luggage. That's a little bit of work. I'll tell you one thing, I'm gonna lose some weight doing this job, that's for sure.
Did you make it? Did you break free?
Empty cart, that's good. 9 pieces of luggage. And then that's it. I think 4 more hotels and that's it. This actually kind of reminds me of my other job, my truck driving job. Kind of the same thing. You'd load up cargo to deliver to Victoria, except it was big cargo, so we'd use like a pallet jack. Here it's just a little dolly and some luggage. And all of my delivery areas are right downtown, because when people come to Victoria, they stay in downtown hotels. So I'm only driving like a minute or 2 to each hotel. Embassy Inn. I don't know where that is. I gotta Google that.
Head northwest on Fairfield Road, then turn left onto Douglas Street.
Perfect.
Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think.
Check this out. I put it in reverse. Look at that. A backup camera.
Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
Well, that was fun, wasn't it? All right, I'm gonna have a quick nap and then I'm gonna vlog tonight when I go pick up people from the airport. A fantastic nap, and now I am in the big bus, as I like to call it, and I love everything about being on this bus. I just love driving big things. When I was little, I used to stare at buses and I'd see the driver. It'd be like a cold day. I'd watch his wheels in the slush on the highway, and he'd be sipping a cup of coffee all warm in his bus, and I'd be wondering, where's he going? Where's he going? So it is so cool to be able to do this for a career. So this bus is a Prevost. It's a I think it's a 2015. Absolutely gorgeous. There's 56 seats in this bus. There's a washroom at the back, and you know what? I don't want to tell you too much, and I don't want to do too much filming around this bus today, just because I'm going to be in them lots, and I want to like save some of the information. So right now, I'm going to hop in the driver's seat there. How cool does that look? I remember when I first hopped in the driver's seat. It just felt so cool. It just felt so cool. You've got all these switches and gadgets, turn my lights on there, and it's just neat. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So we're gonna go pick up 2 groups from the airport. A flight is coming in at 10 o'clock, and then a flight is coming in at 10:30, and then we're gonna shuttle them downtown Victoria. And that is what I'm gonna do tonight until about probably 1 o'clock, 1 in the morning. So that is my night. Oh, and one more thing before I take off. I've been asked, are the vlogs going to stop in the winter or in the summer? No, they're not. As of right now, for the next month, I'm working Monday to Thursday, and then I'm going to have the weekend, so we're going to go camping on the weekend. And then in the summertime, I still have days off, but I will be working a lot, and I will be driving tour bus. So there will be a lot of vlogs about the tour buses and the tours and all of that. And I love that kind of thing. I understand that a lot of you guys came here for an RV channel, but it's just my life. It is what it is. I don't have enough money. You know, I'm not making enough money on YouTube to do it full time, and I mean, even if I was, I'd probably still drive tour bus Friday, Saturday, Sunday, because I just love it so much. So that's what's going to happen, and I hope that you guys are as excited or as interested in this kind of industry as I am. Industry is a good word to put it. Transportation industry. And I'm going to make the vlogs as exciting as I possibly can. Okay, now let's go. Coffee! Coffee, coffee, coffee! Okay, so we're parked right in front of the airport. This is Victoria's airport. It is super nice, super cute, super simple. It's not like a stressful airport, like, you know, when you go to a real busy airport, I get all stressed out because there's so many gates and all this. There's like a couple gates in here. It's very simple. So if you ever do fly into Victoria, you'll be flying into this airport right here. And so yeah, we're just playing the waiting game. As a bus driver, it's kind of hurry up and wait for the 10 o'clock. Well, I'm super early because I was going to do some filming. But yeah, we're waiting for the 10 o'clock and then the 10:30, and then we are going to go downtown. As you guys know, I read all of the comments, and a lot of comments are like, Taylor, we'd love to see longer videos and we would like to see you vlog more often. So the problem is that when I'm traveling, of course, I'm going out to film in the woods and there's no Wi-Fi. So I go out on a trip and I try to do as much filming as I can, create a vlog or two, and then I come back into town and edit it all. And what a lot of people don't realize is that these videos do take a lot of time. I do put a lot of work in there. So an average video for me is about 10 hours from writing it and figuring out what I want to say. You know, unlike today, this is kind of just like a normal vlog, but writing it, figure out what I want to say and film it, and then edit it. Editing takes a long time, especially if you want to put some serious work into it. Then it takes like 5-6 hours. You can take days to edit if you want it really crisp and perfect. So it takes a while. And the thing about longer videos, yes, I will make some longer videos, but I want to kind of stick around the 10-minute range just because personally, when I look for videos, if a video is longer than 10 minutes, I'm kind of like, oh, I don't have 20 minutes in my day. But if it's 10 minutes, then I'm cool with just watching a 10-minute video. So yeah, I'll make some longer ones for sure. Like I think this one will be a longer one, but for the most part, it's going to be right around 10 to 15 minutes. Look at this. I dropped my people off. I'm right downtown. Look at how shiny that bus is. Oh my goodness. We've got the Empress Hotel right behind me. We've got the Parliament building right there, lit up with 3,300 lights. It is midnight right now, so that's why nobody is around me. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Keep living that dream. Do something that makes you happy, right? That's a secret to life. Just do something that makes you happy. Until next time, I want to thank my viewers. I want to thank my subscribers. If you feel like subscribing, you're more than welcome to do so. I want to give a special thanks to my Patreon members. Thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful night, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye-bye.